Hey y'all, I just want to show you a quick way of doing your eggs. I have my eggs in my canner. As you can see, maybe you can't see the steam. I have my eggs in my canner. I have 11 more minutes. And I have my fan on. It goes right outside so the air, so the steam will go outside. And I'll show you my chart. It's almost wiped out right now, but you get a small strainer, you set it in your canner, put water in it so that it doesn't come up to the eggs. The water should not touch the eggs. 1 dozen of eggs, 12 to 13 minutes. 2 to 4 dozen, 17 to 20 minutes. And if you have 100 or more eggs, 35 or more minutes. So what I do is I put them in for a minute per egg. And I will show you what it looks like when they come out. I'm preparing my ice water so that I can shock them whenever they come out. 5 more minutes. And yes, I'm making a mess, but there's my ice. 1 minute. Here we go. Okay, I hope this works. I'm going to show you guys how I take my eggs out of the steamed water. Now, I put in 25 eggs, and I left them in for 25 minutes, like a minute an egg. So, let's see what's up. The steam went down. Of course, I didn't use the weight. You don't use, let me see, this. Okay, you don't use the weight at all. You just let the eggs steam. And here it goes. Oh, I guess I turn this off now. Okay, that was really kind of loud. Okay, looks like 1 egg broke. I don't know where to put this. Here we go. Stay there. All right. All right. And I'll show you what I did. 1 egg cracked, and it looks like the one that was on top, maybe. Yeah, the one that was on top. Okay, I'll take those out. Set this over so you guys can see what's going on. Let me put this here. See if you can see. Yeah, okay. And then you just take them out. This one cracked, and as you can see, they do cook. Let me see. All right, make sure I got my camera right. Okay, and as you can see, they do cook good. This one cracked. I'll put it aside. And then you shock them. Just put them in the water. Okay, and let me try this. I'm going to make sure that I have the camera right so you guys can see that. Yeah, great. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and try to crack one. I guess you could leave them set for a few minutes, you know what I mean, before you start. I'm just going to try now and see if I can crack one real good. Look how easy these are peeling. I hope I'm getting this. Look how easy. Let me bring it around this way. Look how easy this is peeling. There you go. So it adds up to, I guess, like a minute per egg. You can put in 100 eggs if you have a container. Ooh. If you have a container, sorry about that, that will take 100. But there's your egg. And you want to know something? You know what else I like about it? For people like me, I do a lot of canning and stuff. And you cannot do pickled eggs if there's any dents or anything on your egg, any indentations or anything on your egg, because it can poison the inside of the egg, the yellow part. So from what I can see, this would make a perfect pickled egg. So I hope you learn from this, and I hope you try it. God is good. I'm going to try and see if I could get a good peel for you guys. And as you can see, I've done, let me tilt this a little bit. I can't, let me see. I've done that many eggs already. Sorry, I can't keep my camera tilted properly. I think what happens is whenever you steam your eggs like this, it ages the egg to the point where that film is fooled into thinking that the egg has aged. And that's why you can peel them so easily. You're fooling your eggs into thinking that they've aged. That's why brand new eggs from chickens right off the farm are hard to peel. You can hear it when it cracks. I'm not trying to be Hercules. I don't try to grab the whole bottom and take it off just to show off, because you do that and the next thing you know your egg's splitting halfway through, you know? I know this video might seem long, but I just wanted to show you guys how to do this. And hopefully it will ease somebody's pain and make you feel better about doing your eggs for your picnics, your family, get-togethers, you know. Potato salad, and I think I just cracked this one. First one out of all those eggs, I think. But maybe not. Oh no, I didn't. It just looked like it was. Yeah, it did a little bit. Where's it at? Right there. See? Oh, and still it didn't go down to the yellow, so it's still good. It didn't go down to the yellow. If you want to use them for pickling, it'll still be okay because it didn't go into the yellow, because it'll poison the yellow. You know what I mean? You can literally poison somebody that you love. I'm not meaning to. Everybody makes it sound so serious. Well, it really is actually. You know, it doesn't happen a lot. It doesn't mean it won't happen. Now this one looks like it has dents and stuff on it, but there's a natural dent right there and right here. I didn't do those. They're natural dents. And last egg. Yeah, last egg. Will it come off easy? Yes, it is. There, okay. Now, let me wipe my hands, clean up this little mess here. Oops, get the floor later. I got a lot to clean up. I have dishes and everything else over here. I've been washing my jars and doing all kind of stuff. So, let's see if I can get this. I'm gonna tilt this. There they are. And there are my eggs. don't know why that one looks dark. It's not dark. And there you go, 25 eggs, 24, and then this one. I don't know, it had a little dark. I don't trust that dark spot. So, looks like it might have been live. I don't know. I'll leave that one out, okay? But there you go. And I did that in like, what, 5 minutes? I forgot to tell you, I also wanted to add that whenever you boil your eggs this way, it causes, whether you're using fresh eggs or store-bought eggs, it causes this film right here to automatically thicken up so you can get the peel off, the shell off. That's the purpose of doing it. God bless. Thanks for watching.